Have you ever wondered why we get goosebumps? It's a question that piques our curiosity, isn't it? Goosebumps, those tiny elevations on our skin, are a universal human experience. They're a fascinating biological response that has its roots firmly planted in the lives of our earliest ancestors. Just like them, we experience this strange sensation in response to various stimuli. But what exactly triggers this peculiar reaction? Goosebumps occur when we experience strong emotions or changes in temperature. This fascinating phenomenon is controlled by our autonomic nervous system, the part of our body that oversees all involuntary functions, such as our heart rate, digestion, and of course, the appearance of goosebumps. There are two main triggers that can make our skin resemble that of a plucked chicken. The first is cold temperatures. When we feel chilly, our body tries to generate heat by causing our tiny muscles at the base of each hair to contract, thus leading to goosebumps. The second trigger is intense emotions. Ever felt your skin prickle during a suspenseful movie or when your favorite song plays? That's your autonomic nervous system reacting to fear, excitement, or even awe. But why does our skin respond in such a peculiar way to these triggers? Now that we know what triggers goosebumps, let's delve into why our skin reacts this way. The science behind goosebumps involves a tiny muscle in your skin and a hormone known as adrenaline. Dotted all over your body, right under the surface of your skin, you have millions of miniature muscles known as erector pili. These muscles are attached to the hair follicles embedded in your skin. When these muscles contract, they cause the hair to stand upright, resulting in the familiar tingly sensation and appearance we know as goosebumps. Now you may be wondering, what triggers these tiny muscles to contract? This is where the autonomic nervous system comes into play. This system controls many of our body's automatic functions, like heart rate and digestion, and it's also in charge of our body's response to emotions and stress. When you're cold or scared, your body sends a signal, a kind of distress call, to the autonomic nervous system. This system responds by releasing a hormone known as adrenaline, also referred to as the fight or flight hormone. This hormone prepares your body to either confront or run from a perceived threat, and one of its effects is causing the erector pili muscles to contract. Adrenaline rushes through your bloodstream and reaches these tiny muscles, causing them to tighten up and pull on the hair follicles. This action leads to the hair standing on end, giving your skin that bumpy, goose-pimpled appearance. It's a fascinating chain reaction, isn't it? But it's not just fear or cold that can set off this response. Intense emotions such as excitement, joy, or even embarrassment can also trigger the release of adrenaline and, consequently, goosebumps. This is why you might experience goosebumps when you listen to a powerful piece of music, witness an emotional scene in a movie, or even when you're in awe of a beautiful sunset. But why did this reaction evolve in the first place? Believe it or not, goosebumps once served an important purpose for our ancestors. As we delve into the evolutionary purpose of these tiny skin bumps, let's take a journey back to our prehistoric past. Imagine a time when humans were not at the top of the food chain, when survival was a daily struggle against nature's harsh elements and menacing predators. The theory that goosebumps evolved to aid our ancestors' survival is quite intriguing. So, how could these seemingly insignificant bumps be a matter of life or death? Let's take the example of a prehistoric human encountering a predator. The automatic raising of body hair, causing goosebumps, would make our ancestors appear larger and more intimidating. This illusion could potentially deter a predator, providing our ancestors with a crucial opportunity to escape. In addition, these raised hairs trapped an extra layer of air close to the skin, serving as an extra layer of insulation in cold weather. This could mean the difference between life and death in a frigid environment, conserving precious body heat and protecting our ancestors from hypothermia. So, while goosebumps may seem like a trivial, even annoying, physiological response to us today, they once played a pivotal role in human survival. Although goosebumps may not serve a crucial role for us anymore, they remain a fascinating reminder of our evolutionary past.